Hi, I'm Anthony in PRBO's Phoenix Bird Club. I am going to show you the 3 most common birds of Pickleweed Park. First, I am going to tell you about the ring-billed goat. It got its name because it has a black ring around its beak. Its habitat is the bay, but sometimes you can see them on the soccer field. Ring-billed gulls are also found around these places. Next, we'll look at the black phoebe. They have a long, sharp tail and a white belly. You can find the phoebe on dry land, perched in a bush or tree. Black phoebes are also found here, or even the soccer field fence post. Finally, I will tell you about the American crow. It's mostly black with a fanned-out tail. It is a larger bird found on land at the park and can often be found in groups. Crows are also found on top of trees. Ring-billed gull, black phoebe, American crow. These are the 3 most common birds at Pickleweed Park.